Hello everyone, I'm Lucas Stanik again, and today we're going to do a very interesting thing. I came all the way to Prague, in its beautiful and slippery streets, to see how people are actually dealing with AI in their daily lives or businesses. So, without further ado, let's see how it goes. Do you use AI?
You use AI, I think, every day, basically.
For what kind of purpose? Like personal purpose, professional purpose?
Actually, both, because I work in marketing and it basically became a part of our daily life. So I use it basically like my little helper. So it manages the meaningful tasks for me, and I can focus a little bit more on the creative side of the things. And I use it quite a lot in my personal life as well, because I don't know, somehow it became better than Google. And when you just want to gather quick information about where is something or what's good for example, I use it to tweak my recipes when I cook actually. And I don't know, usually it comes up with quite a good stuff. So it's good, yeah.
Yeah, actually, there is a huge change in how people actually are now acquiring things, searching for things, right? Before everything, the landscape was green for Google. Google had everything, and now we got ChatGPT. So my question is, working as a marketer, I suppose you use a lot of LLMs that actually allow you to create things. What pops to your mind when we're talking about AI in your daily life or your professional life?
I mean, ChatGPT and Gemini are the first ones. And in work, we started to use Nano Banana as well quite a lot. So these are the main three, I think. Yeah.
And how do you use it in your workflow, if you had to describe it?
Since I'm in marketing specialist, I use it a lot to do the bulk of the copywriting. It basically makes a draft for me, and then I can edit it and make it special and good actually. So because for me it's I like editing stuff better than writing stuff from the beginning.
Sure.
So I trained my AI quite good. So it's trained to...
You know what you want.
Yeah. So basically the thing that it gives me is good for me. So I can make edits to it, and basically it
saves you a lot of time.
It saves amazing lot of time. But I'm still kind of on a fence about it, because I know what I'm talking about. I do copywriting on my daily basis, and sometimes it is a little bit hard for me when people use it carelessly.
Because you can tell, right? You can tell.
I can tell.
Yeah,
and quite a lot of people say oh my god, AI is the future, and we can do everything with AI, and we can do there was an ad a few days ago, and it basically was saying this AI, you can have the whole marketing team gone.
You don't need anybody else.
Yeah. I'm just no.
Absolutely not.
That's not how it works, and it should not work like that. So
now, actually, that leads us to my next question.
Yeah.
Do you think AI will actually replace humans in some future, some near future, or no?
No. Me saying this from marketing side of it, I think I still think in my mind that the human touch is still really something that is really big for people. When you want to read a book, right? You want to read a book from author you admire or something, that somebody who went through hardships and stuff. You don't want to read some AI slob or not even slob, it can be good, but you don't really have a
connection, I think.
Yeah, an emotional connection to it. True. And I think people needs to feel it's a human touched, and it's not just some computer generated crap.
I totally agree, and that's actually one of the things we actually touched on the surface of it, and we went even deeper in our podcast episode. We just had a podcast about people leveraging AI in Hollywood.
Okay.
I don't know if you heard about this short film. That's how the name of it, The Heist.
Oh,
The Heist. It is a short film 1 minute long. It was made by a director very known name in Hollywood, and he used only AI. He actually has a studio dedicated to that. Okay. Crazy, and I think that's where we had him.
I don't know, then you have artists like Rosalia that come up with the whole album saying that no part of the album is made with AI, and people are praising it. So
true.
You still have both sides of this, and I don't know, we will see what's going to happen. I can't predict what's going to happen, so we shall see.
We're definitely going to be talking about that. So thank you very, very much for participating. It was a pleasure. Ragazzi, la prima domanda che vi faccio è pensate che l'intelligenza artificiale, che la IA, andrà a sostituire le persone, tipo di assoluto?
Ok, dipende sotto quale settore. In alcuni settori no, cioè tipo dove si vanno all'opera e robe del genere no, però ad esempio dove si vanno per appunto a cercare persone dove ci sia bisogno di contattare, robe del genere, o comunque design e robe del genere, secondo me sì.
Quindi ci sono, secondo te, le professioni che sono più difficili da essere sostituiti,
Sì,
invece ci sono altre che... Ok,
esatto.
ok, bene, bene. Tu invece che pensi?
Sono abbastanza d'accordo con lui, quindi cioè, alcuni lavori, ad esempio quelli con più manodopera, sì, è molto più fatica che riesca un AI. Ad esempio, cioè, molti lavoratori, tipo il meccanico, ad esempio, non lo sostituirà mai un AI.
Giusto.
No. Però altri lavori come tipo artistici, in cui fai delle opere magari, anche se magari si perde un po' l'anima, è possibile che vengano sostituiti.
Sia sostituito. Tu invece che ne pensi?
Allora, riprendo il discorso della manodopera. Gli operai sicuramente non verranno sostituiti. Nel settore informatico penso assolutamente sì, e per me ci saranno anche sorprese nel settore musicale soprattutto.
Sapete che è interessante perché parlate di questa cosa artistica, perché non lo so se sapete già, ma negli Stati Uniti, Hollywood più in specifico, stanno già utilizzando l'IA per creare dei film. Quindi, ma sono film proprio belli, quindi un po' questa cosa della creatività. Pensavo pure io così, poi un po' ho cambiato l'opinione, vediamo. Allora, seconda domanda, usate l'IA nella vita vostra? Se sì, come?
Sì, ogni tanto, ma per fare domande personali, cioè nel senso niente a livello lavorativo, giusto per sapere un qualcosa senza dover per forza andare a cercare su internet.
Cose personali di solito. Okay.
Sì, anche io più che altro cose personali, tipo anche qua che siamo venuti a Praga, abbiamo organizzato anche alcune cose con l'intelligenza.
Ho usato pure per fare qualche tour.
Cosa fare, esatto.
Io dovrei fare lo stesso.
No, sì, anch'io per uso personale, a livello lavorativo forse mi è capitato per traduzioni, invio email, quelle cose lì, sì.
Bene.
Più che altro per traduzione.
Quindi sia a livello personale che professionale. Con cosa lavorate, ragazzi, potete dire?
Io ora come ora sono disoccupato, però principalmente ho lavorato come metalmeccanico costruendo go-kart per bambini.
Ok, interessante.
Io faccio l'elettricista in un'azienda, faccio impianti, diciamo.
Impianti?
Sì, esatto. Sì, esatto.
Io ero progettista di impianti elettrici di automazione.
Ok, interessante. Quindi pensate che nella vostra professione, diciamo nei prossimi 30 anni, sarà sostituita dalla IA o no?
Nel mio settore dubito, però cioè, alcuni aspetti sì, altri no. Cioè, ad esempio la costruzione no, però ad esempio la creazione del progetto dei go-kart potrebbe essere possibile.
Sì, anche io penso, cioè alcune parti no, tipo ad esempio io facevo l'elettricista, tipo collegavo cavi, cablavo.
Sì.
Quella parte è molto difficile, ma ad esempio la parte della gente che sta al PC, diciamo, secondo me è molto più probabile che venga sostituita.
Giusto, ha senso.
Quello che facevo io, veri progetti, è quasi sicuro, si potrebbe tranquillamente sostituire, sì.
Va bene.
Basta avere la planimetria e poi l'impianto, sapendo le norme, si fa. Sì.
Raga, vi ringrazio moltissimo da partecipare. Do you think that AI, because it's evolving so fast, is going to replace human beings like in laborers and stuff?
No, I don't think so, because the human factor is one of the main things that AI cannot supply.
Like manual labor.
Yeah, manual labor, also the thinking, the human thinking, this humanist kind of way. I think that the AI is not going to be able to replace it. Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. And do you use AI yourself in your daily life?
Just a few apps, I don't know for a lot of them, but just ChatGPT, Gemini, Grook, and also from Canva. You know,
of course, design. Yeah.
Design, yeah.
And so you use it for personal and professional reasons.
Yeah, that just for professional business is for what I use it the most.
Awesome. Thank you very much. What about you? Do you use AI? Do you think, first of all, do you think AI will replace human beings?
No, I don't think that AI will replace, because as he says, I think the manufacture of a human never will be the same. Yes.
And do you use AI yourself? Do you have an app like ChatGPT or whatever?
Not really, just a little bit, just the basics like ChatGPT, Meta,
Sure.
and Canva just for personal design.
Amazing. Thank you so much. As I was telling you guys, I work for AnyBiz. AnyBiz, we actually have developed an AI agent who basically make the life of salespeople much easier. So instead of calling them manually, like one person per person, like by person, call and send an email in and messages and following up later, basically this AI agent does all of that by itself, like autonomously. So you worry about just closing the deal, talking to people who are already interested in what you are selling. Do you think that will is worth it? You believe that could actually grow your business?
I would like to get to know it.
Of course, it's complex.
But I think it's helpful in order for the sales to be easier for you to just approach and close the sale. It would be great. I know, because you also use a lot of approaching, a lot of calls, and you may not sell anything. And so if you only have 100 opportunities and this AI just show you 3, just go for those 3. Yeah,
awesome. A lot of time saved, right?
Yeah, no, it's
perfect. And what do you think about that, for example, for one person who just opened a company, and instead of hiring 20 people, you can actually count in, I don't know, one AI agent who will work for 4 or 5 people and help you, not spending a lot of money? Doesn't it feel like fantasy, but it's actually true? How do you feel about that?
Okay, I don't have a personal business, but I think it will be very helpful.
Would you use that?
Yes, I think in the future.
Sure. Thank you very much for participating, guys. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure. Well, after a lot of walking and chatting, I got my verdict. Everyone is using AI. Now, no matter the purpose, whether it's professionally or for personal reasons, everybody is actually leveraging AI in a way. Could be ChatGPT, could be Gemini, could be anything. But what not everyone is actually doing right now is using AI to boost their sales. So if you want to know how to do that, I highly recommend you to get touch of AnyBiz.io. It's your AI-powered SDR who will do all the grunt work of outreach for you. So you can actually just focus on the hot leads ready to convert and to talk. And if this video helped you anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I want to know how you leverage AI in your daily life. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.